Hi all, as I'm sure you're all too aware, next week marks the beginning of the summer holidays. Yes, you heard that right. School is out for 6 whole weeks. Now, I know what some of you are thinking. Parents, you may be feeling that familiar mix of excitement and, well, let's call it anticipation about having the kids home full time. Fortunately, we have lots of fun activities available to keep the entire family entertained. Every Friday and Saturday, We Love Merthyr will be hosting a free kids summer of fun event in the town centre. Please keep an eye out on our social media channels where we'll be sharing information about local activities, library programmes and community events over the coming weeks. There are lots of shops, restaurants and cafes taking part in the Kids Eat Free or for £1 during the summer holidays. Asda, Tesco, Frankie and Benny's and Harvester are to name but a few. So be sure to check out Money Saving Central's website to see the full list of participating stores. I hope this helps parents and caregivers save a few needed pounds throughout the holidays. Last week, I had the pleasure of chairing a debate between pupils from Abercaned, Troederew, Bedlinog and Trelewis on one of the most pressing issues in sports: inclusion. It was truly inspiring to see these young minds engage so deeply with the topic, and their arguments both for and against showed a depth of understanding and empathy that is crucial for creating a more inclusive sports environment. A reminder for all the foodies out there, the food festival will be taking place tomorrow in our town centre between 10 a.m. and 6 p.m. This event is a must visit for all food lovers and community members looking to support local businesses. And finally, you may have heard that an incident took place last week. While it was certainly a scenario none of us wanted to see in our community, what followed was absolutely extraordinary. Within hours, I watched as hundreds of our neighbours stepped forward without hesitation. People dropped what they were doing, left their homes and came together with one simple purpose: to help. No questions asked, no expectations in return, just pure, genuine care for one another. This is who we are in Merthyr Tydfil. This is what makes our community special, the understanding that when one of us struggles, we all step up. I have to tell you, I'm so incredibly proud of this community. Proud of how quickly you responded, proud of how naturally you came together, and proud of the compassion you showed. You reminded me why I love calling Merthyr Tydfil home. That's all for me this week, so thank you. Have a great weekend. Diolch.